Oh, no, 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 no. No more, Amber. No more. You got three, that's enough. You can't bring all the friends down. You're definitely going to get kicked out of Home Depot. Look at that one just disappeared between the trees. Olaf. Oh, he's attacking the dog now. We got dog and snowman fight. Two dogs against one snowman.
Yeah. Let's turn them on. Ready? Let's turn them on.
Oh, here he goes again. Olaf's like, I'm out of here. Now he's creeping away. Oh, they're attacking. They're fighting.